Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can install SteamOS on PC. So let's start with the first step, which is to visit the official Valve or the Steam website and download the SteamOS installation image. So from there, check the system requirements to ensure that your PC is compatible with SteamOS. So just a tip, SteamOS requires a 64-bit processor, 4GB RAM minimum, and 200GB storage. So you just have to take note on that. Next step is use a tool like Rufus, Etcher, or Ventoy to flash the SteamOS ISO to USB drive. So you just have to make sure that your USB drive is at least 8GB and back up any data on it first. Next is restart your PC and enter the BIOS or the UEFI settings, usually F2, F12, or Del. So you can change the boot order to prioritize your USB drive, then save the exit to boot into SteamOS installer. Next step is follow the on-screen installation wizard. So choose your target drive to installation, and just a warning, this will erase all data on that drive. So the installation typically takes 10 to 20 minutes, so consider a dual booting if you want to keep Windows alongside SteamOS. Lastly is after installation completes, your PC will reboot into SteamOS, so log in with your Steam account and enjoy the console-like big pictures experience with your full Steam library. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!